coverage of today's severe weather. I'm Jeff Morrow.
And I'm Jordan Steele. These storms already have claimed 14 lives in overnight activity. That number keeps climbing. The line that we're tracking is now pushing through the Midwest. And we've got severe thunderstorm warnings. We've been watching some tornado warnings. And I think there could be another round that develops behind this one, too.
I think you're right. And I think this is going to continue right into the overnight, maybe even into tomorrow.
Right. So, of course, we want to make sure all of you guys are weather aware. There's a lot of backyard get-togethers this weekend. Tonight, of course, some of you may be going and looking for shelter. And then, of course, some of these storms going into the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast. As soon as tomorrow, we'll get you guys all caught up. Let's just take a look at current radar right now. Where we are looking is in the state of Ohio. You got Cincinnati on the left. You just went through some intense activity, and now you got much calmer conditions. But if you're in Hamilton, you got some thunderstorms. The severe storms are going to be to your south and the east of Cincinnati, basically right on the Ohio River. And those storms are actually moving north and east. So Peebles, Hillsborough, knocking on your doorstep. Big storms right now. 60-plus mile-an-hour wind gusts coming through. We've had plenty of power outages in the state of Kentucky just to your south. We'll likely see more of those here in the state of Ohio as this storm system is rocking through Brown, Clinton, and Highland counties. And we'll see more warnings probably get attached. This Boeing feature, this big bend in the line of activity that's moving its way through this part of the country, and then additional storms kind of coming on the backside of it. So you'll get hit with storm number 1 and then storm number 2 right behind it. And then I even think we could see storm number 3 coming in with another line that'll get activated later tonight. But I first want to get into some of these warnings. We're going to go just outside of Nashville here. This is north of Nashville in Tennessee, of course, on the state boundary, where we've been watching a very interesting hook feature with that storm, and it has yet to show complete rotation, which is good. But if it did, you'd see a tornado warning on that. So up above, there is something trying to rotate, but there's that severe thunderstorm warning attached to it coming right over I-65 as that storm system skirts just north of the Nashville and some of these suburbs of Nashville. And you can kind of see that large area of rotation that we're talking about as the storm's heading east. Also something else on that southern flank side of it as well. So behind it, another severe thunderstorm warning, another Boeing feature, which would mean really big winds heading east, about to hit Dixon, Tennessee, just north and west of Nashville. And there's a look at your power outages. So we've got more starting to blossom here in Tennessee, Jeff. I think we're going to also see some up into parts of Ohio as well, as those storms kind of working their way in that territory too.
Yeah, by no means are we done with that yet. All right, we're getting a look at